Hello aspirants, welcome to Ekam IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about an important SNT topic, which is India's prestigious mission, space mission in the future, that is Venus mission or Shukrayaan, which is planned in the year of 2028. Let us understand more in detail about what is India's most prestigious Venus mission, comprising of why to study Venus, which is the second planet from the Sun. At the same time, we'll also understand what is its significance for India, and why we'll also understand what are all other country missions to Venus. So we'll understand this in a more detailed way. So first thing, let us understand the recent context of it. So first thing is, recently Union Cabinet, as we have discussed in the last week also, 10 key cabinet decisions were taken in the last week on September 18th to be precise. So on that particular day, Cabinet has given approval for two main missions. One is Chandrayaan-4 and then second mission is Venus mission. This is going to be the very first mission from India to Venus, right? So this mission is also called as Shukrayaan, right? Because we generally consider Mars mission, we call it as Mangalyaan, and Venus mission, Mangalyaan, and we also call Venus mission as Shukrayaan, right? So this is the thing we have to understand. This is going to be the very first mission, Shukrayaan 1 and Mangalyaan 1. And you know, this was launched in the year 2013. So after 2013, this is going to be the second interplanetary mission. This is going to be second interplanetary mission. That means we are stepping out of our planet for the second time to know more about other planets like Venus. What is the first planet that we already have studied? It is Mars in 2013 by Mangalyaan, right? So at that time we have used again PSLV, right? So this is what you have to understand. Then we'll also understand about Venus. Why we are going for Venus is because Earth's twin. Venus is generally considered as Earth's twin, right? There are many similarities in terms of density, mass, and many things which are similar between the Venus as well as Earth. So for that reason, lot of similarities is making us more optimistic to know about Venus and more curious to know about Venus. Then we'll also have to understand this is a second planet from the Sun, right? So second planet from the Sun. So it is very much important. At the same time, we also have different other reasons to why we are going to study Venus only. Means, so first thing is, it is having very high temperatures. Very high temperatures means you can understand greater than 460 degrees centigrade temperatures are recorded on the surface of Venus. So what is the reason for this much high temperature? Means there is greenhouse gas effect. So even we are having some confidence that there might be some presence of water on the surface of Venus once already, few years or few thousands of years back. We are believing that there is some element of water on the Venus. But what actually has completely evaporated that water is because of its proximity towards the Sun. At the same time, this greenhouse effect, which we call as runaway greenhouse effect. That means, you know, like already water is there on the surface of the Venus, but you know, due to the proximity to the Sun, more and more water get evaporated over a period of time. And through evaporation, you know, water generally converts into water vapor. Water vapor in turn is a greenhouse gas. So that is in turn increasing the temperatures. In that way, entire water which is there on the Venus is considered to be evaporated, and there is now no water presence, and it has turned totally to be a dry and dusty planet, right? So this is what we already have some understanding. And why to study Venus means it will also help in understanding the evolution of the Earth. So how Earth has formed. If we can understand the things about Venus, then we can also decode the same with respect to the Earth. So that is what the main interest is. Then we'll also understand the second reason. So why Venus is second reason? It is having almost very high atmospheric pressure. So almost 90 times more than the pressure what is there on the Earth. So very high atmospheric pressure is also the question which we wanted to study through this mission. At the same time, we also have to understand the atmosphere of Venus is composed of carbon dioxide, and its clouds are made up of sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid clouds is also one main thing that is a point of interest for India's mission. At the same time, we also wanted to explore about Venus rotation on its axis. So this is also one area, and rotation on its axis. So it generally takes almost 240 Earth days to complete one rotation. So it is very slow compared to the Earth's rotation. So these are the main things which we wanted to study more in detail through this Shukrayaan or Venus mission. Then we'll also understand what are the payloads that are being sent as part of this mission. So we have L and S band, synthetic aperture radars. Synthetic aperture radars. So this is there to study surface of the Venus. So what is there on the surface that will be studied using this L and S band synthetic aperture radar, or SAR we call, right? So this is one payload, and another payload is the thermal camera. So this will be monitoring the temperatures on the surface of the Venus and what is actually taking place on the surface. Everything will be studied, including some composition and all. So it will be sending some images back to the Earth. So that is the main payload. And then we'll also understand what are other countries' missions to the Venus. So we already have seen countries like USSR. So this is the very first country to send some mission to Venus. Then it was again succeeded by USA. Then we also have Japan. And then in the recent times, we have European Space Agency and Japanese collaboration in sending some mission to Venus. So we already have these countries who already have sent some missions to Venus. But in the recent times, if you see, these are the future missions which are planned in the year 2026. One is Da Vinci. Da Vinci is the mission that USA has planned in the year 2026, and Veritas is the another mission of USA, NASA in 2031. The same time, we also have Envision. Envision is the program of European Space Agency, which was actually planned in the year 2030. So these are the other missions which are in the line along with India's Shukrayaan. So then why we are choosing the year 2028 is the question, right? So why did we choose 2028 means Earth and Venus come closer to each other once in every 19 years. So that is the main reason. Sorry, once in every 19 months. Because of that reason, we have planned it in 2028. So at that point of time, Earth and Venus come closer to each other. And when they come closer to each other, what actually happens? We can save our fuel and it becomes easy to launch that particular mission into the orbiter. And we have to understand one more thing is, in this mission, we are only sending the orbiter. There won't be any lander. Why? Because any lander that has to land on the Venus having a temperatures of 460 degrees centigrade will not be that easy to sustain there. So any mission which was sent will last only for few hours because of the very high temperatures that are existing on the Venus. So we are only sending currently orbiter, which generally orbits around the Venus by observing the things which are there on the Venus for certain time. So this is what you have to understand from examination point of view. Now let us see the practice question. So for the day, Shukrayaan is planned to study the atmosphere of Venus. Which gas is most abundant in the Venus atmosphere? So this I have answered already in the video. If you found this answer, try to put your answer in the comment section. Then today we have discussed about India's prestigious Shukrayaan mission or Venus mission by India. We have seen what is the main thing we have to understand about Venus. Why Venus? We also have studied. The same time, we also have studied what are all other country missions to Venus along with practice question. So if you like the video and found informative, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. All the very best.